GetonAgain RaiseAgain SM Co., Ltd., located in GetonAgain BOD Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters R&D center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and industrial engineering. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Intelligent apparel manufacturing solution includes CAD software includes GetonAgain Garment CAD version 2024.1 is a professional software for apparel pattern making, grading, and marker nesting. It fully meets the needs of fashion design and production. With versatile functions and rapid pattern making tools, it greatly improves design efficiency. SuperNest offers advanced automatic marker making. It supports mixed nesting, color shading avoidance, fabric defect avoidance, and stripe plaid alignment, etc., with various nesting methods widely applied in apparel, bags, caps, footwear, home textiles, furniture upholstery, and outdoor tents. It increases fabric utilization and reduces production costs. Server SuperNest marker nesting can be shared across the company as local network. It runs around the clock, automatically and without supervision, maximizing fabric yield, improving usage efficiency, and cutting costs. GetonAgain Auto So CAD version 2023.1 is a dedicated CAD solution for apparel templates auto sewing. It integrates pattern editing, template design, intelligent marker making, and sewing stitches design, enabling efficient and precise development and management of garment templates. It supports standardized and digital production workflows for garment enterprises. GetonAgain Embroidery CAD version 1.0 is a powerful yet easy-to-use embroidery design software. It supports rhinestone placement, cross-stitch, chenille embroidery, double sequence, and more. It is widely used in apparel, home textiles, bags, cat footwear, and many other industries. GetonAgain RAS Digital Input CAD version 1.0 is a high-efficiency, high-precision image recognition and positioning solution designed for the fashion and textile industries, supporting both digital camera capture and line scan input. It quickly and accurately converts physical paper patterns or fabric samples into digital information. These can be seamlessly imported into CAD systems, generating high-precision electronic patterns. Pattern room includes flatbed scanning digitizer, one button to start after placing scanning pieces, can vacuum adsorption auto scanning auto transmission according to different models, support ultra-long width scanning speed up to 7,200 mm/minute, scanning resolution 150 to 300 dpi, high-definition panoramic 1:1 image to ensure effective identification of various contours, not just inner holes. Digitizer, easily reading paper patterns, convenient positioning, simple operation, accurately reading patterns, enabled to speed up the design. It is a powerful tool for traditional manual drawing digitization. Digitizer can be used in various fields, such as clothing industry, fashion design, surveying and mapping, mining, stamping and environmental protection, etc. Magic Inkjet Plotter, 2 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 110 square meters per hour, 4 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 200 square meters per hour. Vertical inkjet cutting plotter, 1 machine multiple functions, pattern drawing with cutting, or standalone drawing. High-quality rotary cutting knife can cut min 80 grams per square meter paper for sample design, cost saving. Flatbed inkjet cutting plotter, both bitmap printing and cutting function, suitable for personalization, configured long knife or short knife, and optional fixed knife sleeve or elastic knife sleeve, suitable for cutting various materials. Spreader cutter includes automatic spreading machine. Easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics, suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Automatic spreading machine, suitable for automatic fabric spreading of seats, bags, outdoor furniture and medical supplies. For working with heavy fabric roll. Smart cutting device, the intelligent adjustable cutting device allows for adjustable speed and distance, ensuring neat and stable cuts. Cutting unit and main unit can be quickly and easily detached or attached. Fabric pre-relaxation device, releases fabric tension in advance before spreading, eliminating spreading tension and maintaining consistency in spreading quality. Automatic edge alignment device ensures accurate automatic edge alignment during the spreading process, enhancing the quality of the spread fabric. Emergency stop device steel cables are installed on both sides of the cutting table, allowing for an emergency stop by pulling the cable from any position on the table, ensuring operational safety. Easy to be operated by one person, effective spreading and smoothing. With servo system, auto tension adjustment for fabric. Edge alignment accuracy within 0.5 mm. Automatic spreading machine 2.6 rows. Suitable for automatic fabric spreading of seats, bags, outdoor furniture and medical supplies. Fabric pre-relaxation device releases fabric tension in advance before spreading, eliminating spreading tension and maintaining consistency in spreading quality. Smart cutting device. The intelligent adjustable cutting device allows for adjustable speed and distance, ensuring neat and stable cuts. Cutting unit and main unit can be quickly and easily detached or attached. Automatic edge alignment device ensures accurate automatic edge alignment during the spreading process, enhancing the quality of the spread fabric. Independent fabric rack, 2.6 rows of fabric can be operated at the same time. Flexi spread device, flexible fabric clamping structure, simulating manual fabric clamping. Auto sensing fabric spreading tension, eliminating fabric curling problem due to excessive tension during spreading. Automatic stop when material runs out, automatically stops operation when the fabric is finished spreading and returns to its starting point. Automatic single-layer cutting machine. No need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. Optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process, and supports continuous cutting for extra long materials. Strap and plaid matching cutting machine, equipped with a few HD industrial cameras, according to the capture size to perform intelligent combination. Ensure the high accuracy fabric images capturing. Strap and plaid matching auto cutter, equipped with double knives and hand draw punching working mode, special for various stripes and plaids fabric cutting in single ply. High-end clothing customization. The effect of the alignment match strap and plaid process has become the important measurement on the quality of this type of clothing. Strap and plaid auto cutter is the equipment specially developed for this process to meet matching strap and plaid clothing, suitable for single-ply cutting process of strapped plaided fabrics. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine. Through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved, significantly reduces errors between the top and bottom layers of fabric during cutting, enabling truly high-precision intelligent cutting. Automatic sewing machine includes automatic template sewing machine, double belt, double guide rail, double stepper motor structure. The machine head adopts oil-free lubrication, and the rotary shuttle adopts oil line lubrication technology to completely eliminate fabric pollution. Identify patterns through RFID barcodes and automatically switch to the corresponding sewing program for quick sewing. Used for template sewing processes such as opening pockets, notches, bag covers, collar trimming, etc. Automatic template sewing machine rotary head heavy material. Both the X and the Y axis use a screw and slide transmission method, providing high precision and good stability. Suitable for pattern sewing on leather and heavy materials, such as car seats, sofas, massage chairs, boat interiors, and aircraft seats. The machine head can rotate freely to ensure the quality of the sewing stitches. Fully automatic 360 degrees template sewing machine auto feeding. Ideal for automated sewing of thin, thick materials including quilted garments, down jackets, pillowcases, etc. Dual auto feeding system enhances efficiency and reduces operator fatigue. Vertical head lift easy template replacement and convenient for step-over sewing. Reinforced casting body ensures consistent stitches even at high speeds, no head sinking. Smart functions auto thread trimming, upper thread break detection. Bobbin counter, USB pattern import, and top thread clamping. Fully automatic 360° double needle heavy-duty template sewing machine. Automotive seats, automotive airbags, automotive interiors, home furnishings, and other double-thread heavy-duty sewing. Features include automatic thread trimming, emergency stop, thread breakage detection, bobbin thread counting, data input saving, and automatic adjustment of sewing direction. Fully servo motor control ensures high equipment stability and guarantees high-quality sewing results. Pattern sewing machine. This machine can easily sew 1,200 thick thread with a thickness of 12 mm, 2 times large rotary hooked automatic thread trimming, and the maximum sewing speed can reach 2,500 RPM. Automatic laser pocket opening machine, automatic ironing free pocket folding, automatic material feeding, laser pocket opening, automatic sewing, automatic thread trimming, and automatic material collection, front and back pockets for men's and women's clothing, suits, inner and outer pockets, of jackets, dress pants, hoodies, sun protection clothing, school uniforms, sportswear, cotton padded jackets, down jackets, workwear, jackets, uniforms, trench coats, cashmere coats, and plackets for polo shirts. Embroidery machine includes multi-head tubular embroidery machine multi-head series, suitable for embroidering on flat, caps, garments, shoes, belts, bags, etc. Auto thread framers, auto color change, auto thread break detection 270 degrees wide angle cap system, red light locating, LED lighting. Multiple heads greatly improves work efficiency suitable for embroidery shops and factories of a certain scale. Computerized embroidery machine. High-speed embroidery heads with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality. Equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial products area. Mixed chenille chain stitch embroidery machine. Mixed embroidery feature, according to color sequence settings, switchable between chenille embroidery, flat embroidery, simplified operation. Chenille needle height can be adjusted for 10 levels according to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness. Multifunctional embroidery on garment, shoes, caps, home textile, toys, bags and luggage, art craft, etc. Computerized 5-in-1 embroidery machine, integrated 5 functions in one machine, flat embroidery, quilting, tape cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, double sequin device, laser cutting function, high precision, strong stereo sense, ideal artistic effect, suitable for embroidery of apparel, home textile, furniture, teaching, design and arts and crafts, etc. Computerized mixed embroidery machine, multifunctional integration, flat embroidery, cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, sequin embroidery, and laser embroidery. Expandable options, supports additional modules such as laser process. Fast switching between flat embroidery or quilting embroidery or chenille embroidery and chenille embroidery, allowing you to choose any embroidery type as needed. Applications, suitable for embroidery on garments, home textiles, home decor, education areas, RD and arts crafts products. Embroidery equipment includes Cloud Smart Teaching Embroidery Machine, suitable for integrated theoretical and practical teaching of computer embroidery in fields such as fashion and apparel design, clothing design and its engineering. Quilting embroidery machine includes computerized multi-needle shuttle quilting machine flying shuttle model M. When the upper thread is broken during quilting process, the machine operation is paused and prompts the related message to help worker quickly analyze where the problem is. For quilting of fitted sheet, bag covers, summer quilts and clothing products with quilting pattern. Computerized single-color single-row quilting and embroidery machine model A. Summer quilts, bedspreads, mattress protectors, pillowcases, blankets, garments, car seat covers, car floor mats and furniture upholstery, etc. Equipped with a new high-speed double needle quilting and embroidery machine head with surface coating treatment for parts. Maximum speed 1000 RPM. Recommended operating speed 750 to 850 RPM. Downfilling machine includes laser engraving and cutting machine. The cutting center can directly and seamlessly interface with software such as AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, AI, and Garment CAD, ensuring easy operation. High cutting precision and fast cutting speed. Suitable for clothing, home textiles, furniture, luggage, toys, car interiors, shoemaking, and other industries cutting and carving of non-metallic materials in the industry. Laser equipment includes small format camera positioning laser engraver cutting machine, supports array recognition processing, with options for full sheet recognition, followed by cutting or simultaneous recognition and cutting. Features multi-template mixed cutting, allowing the recognition and positioning of different patterns to be completed in a single operation. Automatic feeding laser cutting machine, large format vision recognition加 auto receiving table, advanced vision system with high-resolution industrial camera captures real-time images of material patterns, accurately detects outer contours to perform precise cuts, resolving issues such as distortion in printed or stretched fabrics. Choose the most suitable positioning mode for different pattern types to optimize cutting accuracy and efficiency. Supports edge alignment and tension control to ensure smooth, wrinkle-free material feeding. Highly automated, ideal for continuous production. Designed for precise, high-efficiency cutting of flexible materials such as digitally printed fabrics, lace with pattern alignment and shaping cutting, and heating elements with positioning requirement. Fully automatic large format laser cutting machine with inkjet device. Large format automatic feeding system, designed to meet the requirements for feeding and cutting whole rolls of fabric. Inkjet and cutting functions, integrated for enhanced versatility. Applicable to industries such as custom clothing, single-piece cutting, sofas, toys, footwear and headwear, textile print, pattern positioning cutting, automotive interiors, industrial filtration, and advertising, etc. Ultrasonic machine, ultrasonic slitting machine. Adopted ultrasonic cutting technology. Ensures smooth cutting edges, precision edge cutting, no deformation, fur-free without fraying, no fiber pull, and no edge curling problem after cutting. Cutting rollers and patterns can be customized to meet various needs. In addition, GetonAgain has developed a digital operation and management system for industries such as garment processing and machinery manufacturing. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. Its features can be summarized as the 4 ones: 1 industrial enterprise, 1 technology platform, 1 data standard, and 1 operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.